Looking for the best balcony solar setup that packs battery storage too? Stay with me because I've lined up and ranked 5 solid options, from the weakest to the absolute best, so you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. Kicking things off in 5th place, we have the Vetoman Jump 1500X. It's the most portable of the bunch, which makes it great for folks who value mobility and simplicity. With an 828 watt-hour battery that you can expand later, it's small but mighty, perfect for balconies or quick getaways. What's cool is that despite its compact size, this thing still pushes out 1500 watts of power with a surge capacity up to 3000 watts. So yes, it can handle a mini fridge or power tools without breaking a sweat. Plus, the built-in MPPT charger and multiple port options make it very plug-and-play for anyone just getting started. But here's the catch. The base battery size is pretty limited, and the solar input maxes out at 200 watts. If you're hoping to keep larger appliances running or go longer without plugging into the grid, this one's going to fall short compared to the others we'll get to in a moment. Still, if you're looking for a super portable solution, maybe for camping or a light emergency backup at home, the Jump 1500X could be your guy. It's the kind of gear that's easy to grab and go. By the way, I've dropped links to all the products in this video down in the description, so check those out for the best prices. Next up in 4th place, the Ecoorthy 1.6 kWh solar panel kit brings more of a fixed installation vibe. It's not something you'd take camping, but for a balcony, backyard shed, or even RVs, it gets the job done with a reliable all-in-one solution. It comes with 4 100-watt solar panels, a lithium battery, an inverter, a charge controller, and even Bluetooth monitoring. That's everything you need in one box. Compared to the Vetoman, you get higher solar input and longer runtimes thanks to the 1.2 kWh battery. On the downside, you can't expand this system like some of the others. What you buy is what you get. And while 1100 watts is decent for light household needs, it won't power heavier duty tools or appliances for long stretches. The design is also more install and leave it, which takes away from portability. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants a set it and forget it kind of setup for their balcony or small off-grid space. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future reviews. Sliding into 3rd place is the ExpertPower 5 kWh solar kit. This one is a serious step up when it comes to raw power. With a massive 5 kWh battery and a 3000 watt inverter, it's capable of running almost anything in your home, from a microwave to a window AC unit. The kit also includes 6 100 watt panels and Bluetooth enabled components, so you can monitor the system from your phone. It's clearly meant for more demanding power needs, and if you live in an area with frequent outages, this could be your home backup dream system. Now, while the hardware is impressive, the biggest downside here has been user feedback. Some people have reported missing parts, weak customer support, and even safety concerns. That's something to weigh carefully if you're investing this much. But if you're handy and comfortable assembling a serious system and you want strong output without paying top-tier prices, this kit packs a punch. Just be sure to double check everything once it arrives. Coming in 2nd place, the ExpertPower Power Ray kit is like the big brother to the previous system, but with better design, better safety, and more long-term value. With over 5.5 kWh of storage and a rock-solid inverter, this setup is made for people who need serious off-grid power. It includes everything from solar panels to a high-capacity LiFePO4 battery and a pure sine wave inverter. It's expendable, reliable, and built to handle heavy loads for long durations. This is the kind of gear you want when the lights go out for more than a few hours. The only trade-off here is the size and weight. It's not something you'll move around easily, and it might be overkill for a tiny apartment balcony. But if you have the space, maybe a large balcony or rooftop, this kit will absolutely hold its own. If you're planning for long-term energy independence or want something to support a remote workshop, this one's built like a tank and will not let you down. And finally, in 1st place, the top dog, we've got the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max paired with their 220 watt solar panel. This is the most balanced and polished system on the list, hands down. It offers big-time power in a sleek, portable package with a ton of smart features to boot. You get 2 kWh of battery right out of the gate, And if that's not enough, you can expand it up to over 6 kilowatt hours. The 2400 watt inverter with a 3400 watt surge means it can handle just about anything you throw at it, from kitchen appliances to power tools. Now, the included solar panel is only 220 watts, which is a bit light compared to the others in this review. But it's bifacial, meaning it captures sunlight from both sides, and it charges incredibly fast. We're talking 80% in under 45 minutes with a wall and solar combo. If you want the perfect blend of performance, expandability, and smart control without compromising portability, this is the one. It's ideal for home backup, van life, or just peace of mind during power outages. There you have it, 5 of the best balcony-friendly solar systems with built-in battery storage, each with its own strengths and quirks. Check the links in the description to grab the top products from this review at the best prices. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives just like this. See you in the next one.